Lisa here. We're going to continue our conversation about concealers, but more specifically, color correcting. So we have, in addition to our flesh tone concealers, we have 7 different color correctors. So I thought we would play with the warm color correcting shades today. And that would be peach, yellow, and catnap. Okay, so we're going to play with those, explore those, talk about what they do based on the color wheel, because the color correctors work on the science and the art of the color wheel and what we want to correct on our skin. Okay, so having said that, we're going to start with, we'll start with peach. So peach, consider it, say it's orange. So we're going to go to the orange on the color wheel. And the opposite of orange, if you go, where is it? I lost it. If you go down, is blue. So this will help you to remember what certain correctors do. So if you have darker skin, peach is excellent for deeper complexions, deeper and darker skin tones. If you have dark spots on dark skin, or blue or dark, any kind of veins, blue, purplish darkness under the eyes, the peach is going to be your friend for sure. Let's see. Okay, so super simple to use. In fact, if you go over to Instagram, well, it's not up yet, but soon I did a tutorial. I'll post it here on Facebook too, on how to use the color correctors, the concealers basically. But same usage. So let's say you want to use peach. You have a deeper complexion. You've got some blues, purplish colors you want to cover. You've got dark spots. You've got hyperpigmentation. Peach could be the color corrector of choice for you. So I love the mini fluff brush. I also love the concealer brush for this. Either one is fine. You just pick some up, tap some into the lid, and then pick some up with your brush, tap off excess. You can always pick up more, and just go to where you want to cover. And this can be pre-foundation and post-foundation. You can do it either or both. All right, so if you're here live with me, give me a hashtag number 2. And if you're new to me at Simple Beauty Minerals, a hashtag number 1. And if you're watching later, a hashtag replay. And let me know you're here and what questions you have. This is about color correcting. So this is the peach color corrector. So anywhere you have hyperpigmentation, I have a spot there, dark spots, darkness with a deeper complexion, peach is the one you want to use. And it's really perfect for a natural look, that no makeup look. So you can just use that anywhere. You could also use it, seriously, you can use it as an eyeshadow. Peach, right? So that's the peach, all right? There will be a quiz afterwards. No, I'm just kidding. But peach is for darker skin tones. And remember, it's consider it orange on the color wheel. The opposite of orange on the color wheel is blue. So it helps to neutralize blue tones. But for dark skins, it's also great for hyperpigmentations. All right, let's go to yellow next. Yellow, looking at the color wheel. Yellow right here. Then you go all the way to the opposite of yellow and you have purples. Okay, so similar to the peach, only if you have a fairer complexion, the yellow is going to work better for you. Yellow is one that I use quite a bit when I get any kind of purple discoloration under my eye. It's great also for hyperpigmentation, but on fairer skins. This really brightens things up. Love, love, love. Okay, so again, you can use it before your foundation to hit any dark spots that you might have. And then you can always touch up. Sometimes the better concealer for a dark spot is like a flesh tone. Would for me would be fair or fair medium probably, but perhaps for you it's medium. But this will help. Okay, so I love the way that brightens up under the eye. And I tell you what, I have put so many layers of concealer on today because I did an Instagram reel and I did another tutorial. I forget what else I did, but I put on layers and layers of concealer today and it's not looking cakey. And in fact, I find that the concealer actually works better after it's been on a while and it cooks with the chemistry, the oils of your skin. All right, so we've done peach, which is the opposite of blue. So it's going to neutralize blues and it's great for darker and deeper skin tones. We've got yellow, which helps to neutralize more purples, but best for lighter skin tones. Also great for hyperpigmentation. Both of them are perfect for hyperpigmentation. Now let's do Catnap. Now Catnap is a cross between yellow and flesh tone. Okay, so it's a little bit less. It's still a brightener, but what it does is, I like to say well, it's called Catnap, so it helps to refresh. So if you're feeling you need to feel more well rested, you can use your Catnap, and it really helps to lighten and brighten under the eyes. This time I will use the concealer brush. I'm gonna just pick some up from the lid of the jar. So Catnap is great if you just want to brighten up under the eyes. Again, it's a great eyeshadow base over the entire eye. Great for these dark spots in there. I often apply right in here. So we're talking about color correcting on the warm spectrum of the color wheel and also how to apply them. So that was peach, yellow, and Catnap. And next week I will go over the cooler tones and I will include pink in that. We have the Bright Eyes Pink, green, and right now I've got two. I got a blue and a blue green. We're going to talk about those. That'll be next week. We'll go over that. So thanks. Make sure you hit the follow button so you don't miss any of the lives that I pop in, usually Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And be sure to go over and follow on Instagram too, because I'm doing a lot of tutorials over there. Okay, bye.